Hello everyone. I hope everyone is in learning spirit and you people are enjoying your days. So today I want to share something which is very close to my heart, and so whenever you do something first time in your life, it becomes so special to you, and those feelings remains in your heart for lifelong. And I do remember doing something very special in my life, and you need to understand why this story is like that. And see, my parents were uh, very we are going through very financial crisis, and not only that, uh, people are poor not only by finance, by mindset also, because my parents come from village. So he always prefer to buy things which are important for means for those are important. They don't means they don't have the habit to buy unnecessary things. So, and I want to buy a bat, cricket bat, and because I was a big fan of Rahul Dravid, and still I am. So, because the way Rahul Dravid has played his cricket, we all know his perseverance, his dedication. He can walk on the glass of the uh, road of the glass, broken glass for his team, and he's an inspiration. He's an institution in himself. So, I wanted to buy a cricket bat with Britannia sticker. So I was searching everywhere for that Britannia sticker bat. And not only that, when I was playing with my friends, one day I was playing with my friends. So somehow his bat broken from me. I don't know how. Maybe something happened. I don't remember. So he refused me to use his second bat, and he said, okay, you want to play, you have to buy your own bat. So I become so hurted. I told this thing to my mom, and I asked him, okay, you have to buy me a bat because I want to play, and nobody is willing to play with me. So somehow my parents, and at that time that bat was of around 300 rupees maybe, I don't remember the price. What I remember is, so when I have to means when me and my father went to a store, so we were asking for a bat, and he showed us three bats. First one is MRF, second one is Britannia, and third one is Hero Honda. And somehow that shopkeeper was aware of this thing, that this boy want a Britannia bat, and so I asked him for the bat price. So for Hero Honda he was asking around 300, for Britannia he was asking 500, and for MRF he was asking 700 rupees. So you need to understand why this 300, 700 and 500 is so important for my parents, because my my father is actually come from village, and we were farmers, and so buying unnecessary things are not our thing. So somehow my father agreed on buying that, and then that person was charging just 200 rupees more to just a Britannia sticker. Now I can realize that, but because I was kid at that time, so because I was so particular with that bat. So my father said, okay, you want to play, you have to play. It means you can play with any bat. The skills you have, that matter. The bat you are using is don't matter. So I was so furious with that with my father. I just purchased that Hero Honda bat in 300 rupees. I come back to my home, and I was so angry. The next day I went to play with my friends, and then I scored so many runs, and I become in love with my new bat. And after that I played for zonal level. I was selected for Delhi State also, but at that time we were not having that money, because we all know how the cricket is and corruption is all there. So they were asking for almost 1 to 2 lakh, and my selection was in Jamia Islamia. So, and it is not the point of the story, means these are not the point of the story, but I do want to share one thing. What is that? The resources, the tools you are having, they don't matter. what matter is how much skills, how much dedication, how much perseverance you are having. And I was weighing almost 110 kg, and now I'm 78 kg. And my father want me to become a doctor, but he don't have that money to pay my fees for MBBS. But I still become doctor, and I still do wear a white coat. And so here's the thing for all of us: don't restrict yourself because of resources or tools. Never complain. The amount of resources you are having that enough, and the things you want is in your life is your perseverance, your dedications, your skills. If you will work on them, and you can work on them in any place, in your fields, in your grounds. I am recording this video in park because I want everyone to learn English. I have this wish that, like me, people who are struggling with English, like in any places, we can understand, we can speak English, and we will create a future in which people are speaking English much better than the native speakers, so that they will become afraid of us, that these people are they are much superior in their knowledge and skills. So please do record yourself, keep this spirit up, and this is our lifetime of opportunities to learn English. And I can assure you, everyone, the resources you are having are enough to improve you and to make you better in your English. And this is Rahul Kumar signing out from this video, and I hope you like this video, and please do comment on my video. Thank you.